Today we'll talk about how can you enable comments notifications on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to next here. Then you click here on notifications, just click on it. So then you come to next here, you just click here on social activity, just click on it. It's going to take you to this list. Come here to comments, click in this sign here. So that like you see this color show for us, that's mean here comments enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all I wish now you I give it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So thank you for your watching.